All right, hello. What we're going to be doing today is we're going to be replacing rear brakes on the 2014 Yamaha Bolt. And some of the items that you're going to need a 12 millimeter socket, 12 millimeter open wrench right here, 4 millimeter Allen. If you want, you can use the torque wrench, but you don't need it. Brake, brake lubricant, anti-seize, and some type of a cleaner. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so first thing what I did is you can actually also do this when the bike is on the kickstand. That's not a problem. I only raise this up that way I can show you guys that it's actually fairly simple. Okay, so first what I want to do is I'm going to loosen off the two, and they're called rear brake caliper retaining bolts. Those two, I just have to remove them. Now, if you don't have a torque wrench, what you can do is what I did right here. Take a little bit of white paint and paint it here and here. That way you don't need to use the torque wrench at all. Okay, so first 12 millimeter socket right here, lefty loosey, righty tighty. I'm just going to loosen this off. Okay, good. Now the top one, this is for the top one because my socket just doesn't fit. Okay, and it's out. Okay, good. Let's take this out. Okay. Okay, and just slid right off. Okay, second one. Okay, and the second one is out. Good. And the piston is just going to slide it right out. And basically, this is what it looks like right here. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull out the rear pad right here. It just comes out just like this. One, and then one from the back. And okay, come on out. And that's it. Right? Normal thickness of the pad, brand new pad, is about 6 millimeters. This one has more, you know what I mean, more than enough for me to rip around. Okay? Next, what I want to do is, before the pressing the piston, I have to remove the top rear master cylinder, which is located right over here, and this is with my 4 millimeter Allen. Okay, and all I'm going to do is just going to remove this quickly. Okay, up top, this slides out like this. Now I'm just going to unscrew the top. Okay. Okay, here, I'm just going to place this down here and move the seal. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're good to go. Also, if you're curious, this takes a .4 brake fluid. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like that. So normally, you can depress the piston actually with your fingers. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to take my fingers and I'm going to try to depress it. Oh yeah, it went all the way in. Good to go. Okay, so now, since the piston is depressed, now I can put this quickly back. No problem. And if I need to, I can top this up. But in my case, I don't have to. So I'm just going to go and put this back up. Okay. I'm going to take my brake cleaner, clean this off quickly. For any spillage. Okay, this is good. And now we're going to put our bracket back in and the bolt. Okay. Right, here we go. And again, this doesn't have to be crazy tight, just snug. Okay, good. So you don't have to break this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to clean all the parts on this bike, and it should be a fairly simple task. I already cleaned my pins, my brake pads. Now, also what you want to do, you want to clean the little clips, metal clips that are located right here. One is on the bottom, and it basically looks like this, right? And one up top. I'm just going to quickly clean that one right here. That way, the brakes will slide extremely good when all the parts are nice and clean. Okay. And this only fits one way. Also, what you want to do, clean it here, and it only fits one way. In, and then down till it clicks. Okay, so that one's done. I'm just gonna contort my body and get the top one. Okay, here's the top one. Okay. Okay. Gonna clean it quickly and then put it back before we do it. Okay, I'm gonna clean the top. Okay, that's good. Okay, here we go. It only fits one way. Okay, good. All right, so now we're gonna start putting everything back together. Okay, so I'm gonna take my brake lubricant, take a little bit dab up here, and we're gonna put it right in here. Okay, another one. This is gonna go to the top one, right there. Next, I want to lubricate my pins, just enough, and that one. Okay, and this is good. Okay, next, I'm going to take a little bit of my anti-seize, and I'm just going to place it a little bit on each brake pad. This is where it's moving, right here and right here. Okay, that one's good. Again, right here and right here. Also, just a little dab right where we cleaned the metal clip on top, and now we want to do a little bit on top and the bottom, sorry. Okay, so we're good to go. So now we are ready. Oh, sorry, one more thing. Forgot to we got to clean the piston. Okay, so normally what I do is I'm just going to spray this inside and clean the piston in here. Okay, we are looking very good. Okay, so now we're just going to start putting everything back together. So this only fits one way. I'm just going to line this like this, like that. That's it. See, pad went in. Now we're going to put the second one in. That one you kind of have to feel it. Okay. Okay, she's in. Next, we're just going to take our piston. I'm going to put her in, slide everything, grab our top or bottom pin, doesn't really matter. Okay, align it. Okay, good. And align the top one now. Okay, and everything went in. Okay, we're good. Okay, so next what I'm going to do is I can only torque the bottom one because my pipes are a little bit in the way. So what I'm going to do is the torque for this is 20 pounds. This is already set, so I'm just going to quickly torque this. Okay, but the top one, since I already marked it with my white tape, white paint, I can see it. Oh yeah, a little bit down more. A little bit more. And it's good to go. You can see it right there. So the last thing that we got to do, right? I'm just going to rotate the wheel. Wheel is good. Last thing I got to do is I'm just going to press my brake. And I'm going to press it a couple times till it gets hard. Now it's hard. Rotate the wheel. Oh yeah. And they're extremely good. Okay, so what we have learned here in the last 15-20 minutes or so is how to replace the brake pads on a 2014 Yamaha Bolt, and how simple this is. Anybody else can do it. All you need is just a couple of tools, a little bit of space, and you can easily do it. And again, if this video helped you out, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one.